Alrighty guys, I'm here, man. What an emergency, guys. I cannot do heavy engine work or transmission work with an air ratchet. I mean, not air ratchet, an electric ratchet, okay? I have no idea what my strong electric ratchet, but nevertheless, I'm not sure those was built for that type of work anyway. So I need my air ratchet, my 3/8 air ratchet took a dump. I don't know, man. I've been had that thing a long time, and I parked it for a while because I was using my electric tools, and lo and behold, it don't even want to blow nothing out. And I was borrowing a neighbor's for a while, and he finally got fed up. Remember, guys, the two borrow rule. After twice borrowing something, you should buy it. Well, I well exceed the 2 times. So enough is enough. Now, the reason I'm going in here looking for one is it's called an emergency, guys. I'm in an emergency state. All right, we are nearing the end of the month, and I got a transmission and an engine job to do. I could simply order one off eBay or Amazon, but, you know, it'll be 2 days, 3 days. I need this now. All right, so I will order me a professional one online. I'm sorry, I can't do the tool truck. I'm not there anymore. I'm sorry. I'm not knocking them. It's just that, ooh. Oh, you see I'm not going to say anything bad about them. It's just, I'm not there. This phase of my life, I'm not there on the tool truck like that. For that type of tool. Woo! Y'all seen the, woo! I ain't going to even say nothing. But anyway, guys, yes, I'm in an emergency state. So, let me go in here and see. They may have some Ingersoll Rand. Now, I need even though it's temporary, I still need a decent one. All right, so, y'all, let's go in here and see what they got, man. If I don't find nothing in here, I pass Home Depot and Lowe's. Lowe's got all Craftsman stuff. Craftsman makes some decent air tools, but I don't know if Lowe's sell them. Okay, but at any rate, let's go in Northern and see what they got. All right, y'all ready? Let's get it. Wow, y'all see that? I didn't know Milwaukee done got into the hand tool business. When did Milwaukee start doing this? It's gonna be hard to sell this stuff, guys. Craftsman make the same kind of little cute kit, and Craftsman got a bigger name. I want to say wrenches for $129. Who still in the market? I don't know. Good luck, Milwaukee, but I didn't know that. Yes, guys, I got all of this stuff, but we talking transmissions and engine. I need some heavy duty air ratchet tools. All right, we getting warm. Okay, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Remember, guys, this is temporary. Ooh, I can't spend $100 temporarily. God, wait a minute. I didn't know these damn things was this high. And that's Ingersoll Rand. Guys, I can't wait. So it's not like I can borrow one for 2 days because I ordered one. It's gonna take, y'all know how eBay is. I found a good Mako one, a $320 Mako air ratchet. They had on there barely used. Y'all know how they go. So, and he wanted $150 for it. So this is a $320 ratchet. I ordered that, but it'll be like probably Monday before I get that. I can't wait that long, guys. So what I'm gonna do is probably to go ahead and scoop up this Ingersoll. Go ahead and scoop up. Ingersoll make good stuff. I'm not really concerned about those. Well, I am, but how much you expecting out of? Do they got a pro version in here? I don't know, man. Let me go grab somebody. Is that my only option? They only do Ingersoll? I guess so. Hey, everybody want to get into tool business. In the socket set business. Ooh, ready. So, guys, yes, I gotta go find these down to. Yeah, everybody at the shop got one of these. They nice. Just they only $57. That's $67 for the digital one. Clutch. Okay, this one's 57, this one's 67. Y'all see this? They both digital, but one has the nipple. Yeah. So if you're gonna get one, you might as well get that. I got one of the little cheapos. No, it's not that it's cheap. It just has a real gauge. I don't know about those digital. You know, I don't know. I'm old school. Everything don't have to be freaking, you know, digitized all the damn time. But that's the world we live in now, guys. So I had one of them. I don't know what happened to it. Well, anyway, let me get somebody over here. I need this. I have no choice, guys. This transmission got to go tomorrow. I can't borrow anybody else freaking air ratchet. So temporarily, matter of fact, if I don't use it and beat it up, they might let me bring it back and get my money back. But I won't hold my breath. Okay, let me get somebody over here, guys. Y'all hold tight. All right, guys, you go in and get the key. Hopefully they got one. This is my last hope. I can't go 2 days without beating up on my. Y'all know how tight boats are on transmissions and engine. It's ridiculous. I need that Ingersoll Rand right here. Hope you got one. That's the only 3/8 air ratchet you got. What we see.
Right here?
Yeah. You don't have a pro version?
$94.99. You want it?
Yeah, I gotta have it. I have no choice. Hey guys, like I say, Ingersoll Rand make a good name, and this is emergency state. So there goes. Y'all remember the $200 something I got from a scrap yard? Well, there goes 100 of it. The goal was to put that back into the channel and get some gifts for the raffle giveaway. I'm still gonna do that. What the warranty cover?
What was that?
You said $12 for a year?
Yeah, so our warranty covers like accidental damage. Like if you do some crazy stupid crap, like drop it from a 20-foot building and breaks into a million pieces, you know, stuff like that.
Man, what if it stopped working or get weak?
Yeah, that too.
If it gets weak?
113.68.
Nope, I will not be losing that. You might see me this time next year.
Oh, for real?
Right at the tail end of the year over with.
All right. You heard
See,
what I said.
they counting on us losing the receipt.
Huh?
They count on us losing the receipt or
you're right.
forgetting all about it. All right, man. Appreciate it. Oh my goodness. I have some editing to do. I don't want the young man to get in trouble. So y'all will not be hearing that. Oh, y'all don't need to hear exactly what he said. Anyway, here we are, guys. Now this is Ingersoll Rand, so I got a year warranty on it for 12. Guys, I don't expect this thing to be super strong. I just expect it to work when I need it. Right now I have nothing, so this is better than nothing. All right, and I'm not losing this ever. All right, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.